Frustrated with how your Wix website looks cramped or has too much empty space? Let's dive into how to adjust your Wix page height, making your site look polished, professional and perfectly fitted for your content in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Wix account and open the site editor for the website you want to adjust. See that little handle at the bottom of your page in the editor? This is your primary tool for adjusting page height. Click and drag this handle downwards to extend the page, creating more space for additional content, or drag it upwards to shorten the page and eliminate excessive white space. To get a better view of the entire page while adjusting, zoom out using the zoom controls located in the top bar of the Wix editor. This provides a broader perspective and helps you gauge the overall layout. Need to ensure a specific element remains visible on every page? Consider using a Wix Pro Gallery. From the Add panel on the left, select Gallery and then Pro Gallery. Customize the gallery to showcase your images or content. Inside the Pro Gallery settings, enable the Show More button option. This feature allows visitors to load additional content as needed, preventing the page from becoming excessively long and improving load times. And that's it. By using these simple techniques, you can easily adjust your Wix page height, ensuring a visually appealing and user-friendly browsing experience for your website. Visitors now go make a perfectly sized page, and remember to like and subscribe for more Wix tips.